Okay, so the first project of the morning is complete. The electric motor on the hay elevator was rebuilt, and I just got it back installed, so the next time I am ready to put up square bales of hay, the elevator will be functioning. Well, the next step today is I have the tractors fueled up. I've got the disc mowers hooked up, and what's awaiting is a 40-acre field, and I'll try and cut 20 acres at a time, not because I can't do 40 acres at a time, because I can, but then you're risking a weather situation because you have to move pretty quick to do all that. So I'll try and do 20 acres today and 20 acres tomorrow. I'll keep looking at the weather forecast. Well, here's the start of opening up 40 acres. I'll pan the camera around so you can see where we're headed. Some of the fields you can't see because they go way back in there. We're getting ready to start. Well, for the first video before I started cutting, here's the results of about 2.5 hours. Did a little more than I expected. I think if we run 2 tractors, we can cut the other part in about an hour tomorrow. So that's about 40 some acres. Well, I've started baling the first part, and my son is moving them into groups of 8. And how I do that is on the custom jobs, I take 2/3 of the hay, and the owner gets 1/3, which I end up buying their third. So this is what's happening. Day 2 of raking and baling hay, and this is a pretty good chunk that I've got to rake so far, but it's just probably 1/3 of what I've got to rake yet. So, and I use a 10-wheel rake, so it goes pretty quick. But anyway, I'll be glad to get this done, so I'll get it raked this morning. And I probably won't start baling until about 2:30, 3 o'clock this afternoon. Let it get some sun after I've got this hay turned up. So that's an update on day 2 of hay baling. Well, hello everyone this Sunday afternoon. It's been a productive 2 days. I have rolled up 117 big round bales, and that included raking, and my son has them all moved to a location in the field that we can easily pick up. I'll be hauling 8 bales at a time on my bale trailer. There'll be 39 bales that goes in the owner's barn, and I'm going to be buying all of those off of him. So it's been a busy day. Started this morning with the raking and just finished up baling, and I think it's close to 7 o'clock. I've got the baler cleaned out. So that's an update on this week's endeavors, and the job will not be done until I get all that hay moved home, which is 70-some bales my share. So if you watch this video today, again, thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll try and post at least once a week. Thanks for watching.